that can support nations in need, ensuring that no one is left behind in our pursuit of health security. The need for a strong, visible, active surveillance and tied public health laboratory system is paramount. This is integral to early detection, response, and mitigation. The establishment of an international network of health laboratories, sharing best practices and resources, could serve as a linchpin in our collective defense against emerging threats. Developing and enhancing regulations, standards, and coordination mechanisms for food safety is also a shared responsibility. It is a cornerstone of global health security. We must collaboratively work towards establishing international standards for food safety, harmonizing regulations to ensure the highest level of protection for populations worldwide. A cross-sectoral approach to managing antimicrobial resistance requires international collaboration. We need a unified front against antimicrobial resistance with coordinated efforts to develop and enforce global standards for the responsible use of antibiotics and infection prevention. Distinguished participants, before concluding, I urge each one of you to see beyond national interests and embrace a vision that transcends borders. The world is watching, and history will judge our actions. Let the summit mark a turning point, a point where nations, global leaders, and experts are united for the cause of global health security. Let us commit to a future where pandemics and health emergencies are met with preparedness, where the vulnerabilities of one are addressed by the strengths of many, and where health is truly a global asset. As we deliberate over the 2 days, let us remember that our decisions here will echo through the corridor of time. Let the legacy of GHSS 2024 be one of unity, resilience, and a shared commitment to a healthier, safer, and more secure world for generations to come. I'm confident that the summit will yield key insights and recommendations which we, as well as the larger world, will be able to translate into meaningful actions to strengthen our health systems and fight future pandemics. Here I would appreciate the Health Minister and the distinguished international delegates for their commitment to a safer and healthier world. I value the energies and commitment of Dr. Nadeem Jan for his leadership and Ministry of National Health Services, Regulation and Coordination for the tireless efforts to organize the event successfully. Thank you, and may our collective efforts pave the way for a future defined by global health security, climate justice, and solidarity. Pakistan, Pindabad.
Honorable Prime Minister, do I have your permission to conclude the form?
From external health threats such as pandemics. However, no state in the world, no matter how powerful it is, can meet such challenges all alone. Likewise, the internal challenges posed by population growth, rapid urbanization, and climate change cannot be dealt with by a country alone. Both these external and internal health challenges need a collective response. New diseases like COVID-19 and climate-induced incidents such as historic floods of 2022 in Pakistan are disrupting our citizens' health and causing social and economic impacts. While the developed world have systems in place to timely respond to such health emergencies,